Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify Instagram business account. So first of all, open the Instagram application and just go to your profile section, click on these three lines. And once you click on these three lines, you just need to scroll down and you will see this option called creator tools or controls. So if I click on it, you just need to scroll down. And as you can see, the second last option is switch account type. So just click on switch account type and make sure that you switch to business account or you have a proper business account. Now once you have your business account, as you can see, like mine account has now shifted to the business account. So once my account is once my account is shifted to the business account, now you can see the inside professional section. Like the first one is insights, the second one is meta verified. So just click on meta verified, and once you click on meta verified, so that might take few seconds, so don't worry about that. As you can see, like business plus, or you want to go business premium or business max, whatever plan you want to go with. You can read the benefits as well. Like you in all, you will get the verified badge, but there's some maximize discovery and promote your brand, get support, like all these features. As you can see, you can go through business standard as well, and along with the price, just click on get business plus, and they will ask you for a payment method. Just add the payment method, and after that you will be able to get it. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.